What's happening, y'all? Krill Diecast. Right now I'm by Hobby Lobby. Came see what they restocked since I haven't been here in so long. So I'm gonna kind of show y'all the cars that I'm seeing at this location here. I see maybe a few cars that I like. I was hoping for a Johnny Lightning or, a Chasey or something, but they ain't got nothing over here, y'all. They ain't got nothing at all. You see, that's a pretty cool camo little square body. Let's see what else they got here. Hot Pursuits, they got the Johnny Lightnings and the Tin Can. I don't see that Camaro though. Got a nice little Malibu up there. Let's see what else. That's pretty cool. They got some nice Racing Champions. Got 64 Impala. Like this one. I think I got a red one like this. See what else they got. Grumpy's Toys, 66 Chevy Nova. Got another 64 back there. I like this El Camino too. I like this one. I like this one a lot. I think I might grab this one. I ain't gonna lie. That's about all I really see. I think I might grab this and that 64. I like those two for sure. See what they got as far as the slot cars. I'm not into them, but I do like to see what they have. Knight Rider. Got an Eclipse. Got the Supra. Skyline, okay. Superbird, another Supra. They got the Mongoose. Dang, hold on. Why is this one shiny and this one's just regular? What's the deal with this one, yo? I gotta look at this closely. Got a nice little Blazer back there too. And let's see what else they got. They got the Don Schumacher Cuda. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna just leave with these two for sure. Good morning, y'all. This morning I'm by another Walmart. Another location from the stops I've been doing in my latest videos. And it seems like they're working with Encase over here, as well as J-Case. So I'm gonna go through this bin, man. Look, y'all, this is number 4. If y'all seen my latest videos, I've been finding these errors in the Encase. This is the 4th one I found. This is for sure, letting us know that Mattel is doing this on purpose. So y'all be on the lookout for it. I'm gonna leave this one because that's very cool. I think that's super cool that they're doing that. But let me go through this bin, y'all, and see what I could find. It's another Supra, and I'll be back shortly. Well, y'all, this bin is looking like a Dutski because I seen a blister of a Supra that was like empty. So it don't matter which Walmart you go to, somebody gonna always steal something, which is pretty sad. Pretty sad. I just want to show you. All right, let's see. They got some more in cases. Don't hurt to look right quick, even though it don't seem like they got anything. J-Keys. Yep, that's about it. Let's see what else they got here. Exotic, I don't know, sedan set, whatever you want to call it. Got a few matchboxes. I don't think that's the case that we're looking for as far as the Super Chase Bronco. Really not too sure. I don't really follow the Matchbox stuff, like talking about it. Let's see what else they got down here. few haulers. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Hot damn, I hadn't even noticed it, y'all. Jay Leno's Garage. See if we got the full set here. 3, 2, got 1, 5, 5, 2, and 1. Yep, look like they got the whole set. Let me pull it out so we can check it out. So yeah, y'all, unfortunately they don't have the chase, but they do have the full set. Which one is your favorite out the set? I don't know. I'm thinking it's the McLaren or the Countach, me personally. The little tank car is cool, but you know, it's got a little too much going on. And the Carvera is not bad either. Can't lie. The SL, of course it's a nice car. But yeah, the full set, y'all. Jay Leno's Garage. Hell yeah. As far as the Hot Wheels, same boulevards you've been seeing everywhere else. Do have a few M2s. Nothing that we are looking for. Yep. Let's see what we got right here. Nothing. Well, that's all we're looking at this stop, folks. Y'all know the saying. Till next stop, we gonna holler. What's happening, y'all? Right now I'm by Walmart, just getting off of work. I see they put out a little bin right here. There was some H cases and some N cases, but looked like somebody had already went through this before, so I ain't gonna waste my time looking through this. I did check the premiums. They didn't drop nothing new besides this here, which I want to show you guys. The new BMW premium set. Got the 2016 M2, the M3, and the M5, which I think is my favorite. Check that out, y'all. Super nice set. Only got one over here. Probably gonna pick it up. At first I wasn't feeling it at first until, like, the only one I really like, to be honest with y'all, is that sedan back there. Cause I like big body sedans. So that one really caught my attention. Just basically why I'm probably just gonna buy this right quick. So yeah, just want to show y'all this. So the only thing I'm really seeing that's cool at this Walmart right now. Same thing we've been seeing everywhere else. So yeah, till next stop, folks. We're gonna holler. What's happening, y'all? Come by a Family Dollar, because all of them been restocking in my area. So I'm just getting off of work. Made like 2 other stops at other Family Dollars earlier. This is like the 3rd stop I made. I went through the pegs a few seconds ago, and I noticed something back here. Looks a little familiar, like something that we'd be looking for. Y'all see that? LK suit, baby. Yes, sir. Huh, bro? I was really looking for the Skyline, to be honest. They got 2 main lines over here. Then I thought to myself, don't forget, check for other things. They might have older things that was just sitting on the pegs. And sure enough, some suit. Y'all can't believe this. This is Super number 12 from me this year. All the other Family Dollars had dropped in cases. Let me see what this is. That's L case, yeah. This one dropped L case. I so happened to find this beauty here. Alrighty, y'all. Now I'm by another Family Dollar, and this one dropped K case. check another one. Yeah, this one dropped case. So I'm gonna go through the page right fast. I can see everything pretty clear, so this is something new. Pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. Let's see what we working with here. Main line. Don't look like they got anything over here, y'all. Don't look like it at all. Check one more time on this side. Of course, something always gonna fall down. So annoying. Let's see up here. Oh, I see something back there. See if I can get it out without knocking everything over. Got a little treasure hunt here. Case, which I'm happy to found because 2 of them I had in the bag. I crushed them by putting some other stuff on it, so I'm gonna get this one again. Car's kind of bent right here, but I think I can work with that. So yeah. So next stop, folks. All right, y'all, got a little bonus clip for y'all. Got a little mail call from my partner on Hotbox Diecast. Did a little trade. I sent him one of my super treasure hunts, Volkswagen Caper. So I'm gonna show you something. Alright, y'all, so first car he sent me is a Toyota Supra. Hell yeah, in the treasure hunt for the 58 Impala from L-Case. Hell yeah, because I don't have that one. And I'm going to show y'all what we did the trade for. As far as the Supra, he sent me my first ultra red 1963 Chevy 2 Nova wagon. Hell yeah. I don't have an ultra red in the collection, nor have I ever found one in the wild. So I definitely wasn't hesitant to do that trade. Yeah.